Hey YouTube, my AC stopped working in my car, and when I put on the AC, it makes a squealing sound like something is loose. So the first thing you want to do if your AC is not working is to turn on your AC and check to see if the AC compressor clutch is engaging. As you can see, this one here, you want to check it, see if it's engaging. If it's engaging, that means it might have a low refrigerant, so you want to top it up. It might have a leak, but in this case, and check the fuse, the relays. In this case, this AC compressor clutch is damaged, as you can see here. This piece, you can see, is damaged. Over time they wear out, and I'm gonna be replacing this AC clutch, as you can see. So when I turn on the AC, the magnetic force, it tries to turn together, but this is loose, so that's why it's turning like this. As you can see, there's some magnetic part here that when you turn on the AC by the magnetic force, it it holds on to the mechanism here, and it spins as one to engage the AC compressor. So I'll be changing just this clutch. You gotta take it off from here. You gotta get something to grip it. So that's the first thing you wanted to check, to see if your AC clutch is engaging, and apparently this one is damaged. Bad AC compressor clutch.